Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with no oven, no egg chocolate cake recipe. Let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare that. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I am using 250 ml measuring cup, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder. Combine all the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of condensed milk in a mixing bowl. Quarter cup of vegetable oil. Half cup of buttermilk. Mix it well. Adding dry ingredients little by little. Combining everything using a hand mixer. Cake batter is ready. Pouring cake batter in this cake tray. Tap it gently to remove the air bubbles. Here I have a big kadai. First we need to spread 1 cup of salt on the bottom side. Place a lid or something just to elevate the cake tray. Close the lid and preheat this for 5 minutes in low flame. After 5 minutes you can keep the cake tray inside and cook this for 30 to 35 minutes in low flame. Keep something heavy on the top of the lid and make sure heat will not go outside. After 35 minutes our cake is ready. You can check this with a toothpick or something. If it is clean, cake is ready. Let it cool for a while. Meanwhile we can prepare frosting. Here I have 8 Oreo biscuits. I am going to grind it and powder it using a grinder. And it's ready. Here I have taken 1½ cup of whipping cream. Beat this well until we get a stiff peaks. After 1 minute I added 1/4 cup of icing sugar. Whipping cream is almost ready. Stiff peaks are formed. So now this is the right time to add Oreo crumbs. Mixing it well. First we need to cut the cake into 2. Add some sugar syrup. Cover it with the whipping cream. Placing the other slice on the top of this. Covering it fully with the whipping cream. Refrigerate it for 1 hour and let it set. After that you can cut and serve. Our chocolate cake is ready to serve. It's very delicious. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.